today I'm going to show you how to make a bass sound in the style of Rezz that sounds like this. First thing I'll do is I'll make a new MIDI track, and I'll have a legato bass note here at F0, and then I'll pop open Serum and I'll just see where we're at. Already sounds pretty good just as a saw wave, but what I'm going to do is take LFO1 and I'll put it here on the level so that we're automating that up and down at a quarter note rate. What I'll do is get some filter movement going. I'm going to turn up the resonance a little bit, and I will also map LFO1 to the cutoff. And then just to make sure we've got a sub going, I'm going to enable the sub, and I will take LFO1 over to the sub oscillator, and I will turn that all the way up. Now that we've got some movement going, I'm going to play with this LFO shape so we can really further shape this sound. That's sounding a little bit closer to the target. And because I can't hear it very well, I'm going to go in here and turn on the compressor, hit multiband, and then I'll turn the gain up. So now it's already starting to sound a little bit cooler, but one thing that's missing is the characteristics that really makes Rezz's sound, and that is distortion. So if I turn on the distortion module here in Serum, what I will do is I will just start cycling through and see what I like. That sounded pretty cool. Play with the drive. Downsample will help you get more of a yo-yi sound if that's what you're going for. Then once I've got this built out, what I can do to add a little bit extra width to the sound is take the number of voices for oscillator A and jack it up to about 8. That's really going to make it sound like Rezz. And now all we really need to do to make this extra interesting and danceable is adjust our LFO1 rate within Ableton. Thank you for watching. If you learned something, please comment what you learned so you can help out other viewers. Comment preset below if you'd like us to send you the Serum preset that you just watched me make so you can reverse engineer it on your own. And follow the account so you can stay up to date with all of our future tutorials. Thanks and have an amazing day.